The dictation will starts in 5 seconds. 3, 2, 1, start. The funds were raised through convertible debentures with a view to raise capital, and therefore, it would be capital expenditure, full stop. In the case of Punjab State Industrial Development Corporation Limited, it was a case of loan that was held to be not an asset, and it was to secure finance for a certain period, full stop. A loan has to be rapid, but in the matter of conversion of debenture into a share, the money is never repaid, but appropriated towards capital, full stop. Therefore, convertible debenture is not a loan, full stop. Intention in this case was to raise share capital and not to raise the money by way of a loan, full stop. Money received is not to be refunded in the both the cases, full stop. Both are in the nature of securities listed in the stock exchanges, full stop. In both the cases, intention is to get back the investment by the subscribers, full stop. No option is given for conversion after allotment of debenture, full stop. The calculation of income from share and debenture stocks recognizes the fact that it was potentially a share, full stop. It is to raise capital by issue of equity shares by media, full stop. The loan or borrowings are retained by converting into equity shares, full stop. The expenditure for raising the same could not be held allowable deduction, full stop, if interest was not paid on borrowings, then the capital of assessee was held to be not allowable, full stop. In this case, the question was that whether interest paid to the Northern Railway and the Punjab government in respect of the capital borrowed for purposes of the assessee's business was allowable, and in that connection, borrowing came up for consideration, and it was held that the term borrow has not been defined in the act, and therefore, its dictionary meaning has to be looked up, full stop. The meaning of the word borrow given in the Oxford Dictionary as to take a thing on security given for its safe return, full stop. To take a thing on credit on the understanding of returning it, or an equivalent, is borrowing, full stop. There has to be a positive act of lending which should be coupled with acceptance by other side of the money as a loan, full stop. Thus it is clear that an element of refund or repayment is inherent in the concept of borrowing, full stop. Corporation may redeem the shares or stocks of the parties, full stop. There is no provision in the act which contemplates the repayment of the capital, full stop. Due to statutory provision, the governments are obliged to provide capital, full stop. Next para, section 20 of the Code of Civil Procedure provides that object to the limitations aforesaid, every suit shall be instituted in a court within the local limits of whose jurisdiction the defendant or each of the defendants actually resides or carries on business or personally works for gain at the time of the commencement of the suit, or the leave of the court is given for the defendants who do not reside or carry on business or personally work for gain, or the cause of action arises wholly or in part, full stop. In the present case, at Varanasi, Ajay and Manish executed the joint promissory note payable on demand, full stop. In other words, the contract was made at Varanasi, full stop. It is a settled proposition of law that the making of the contract is a part of the cause of action, and as such, a suit can be filed on the basis of the said finding at Varanasi where the cause of action arose, full stop. Once the judgment is signed by a judge, it shall not be altered or amended afterwards except as provided in section 152 or review, full stop. Section 152 of code states that clerical or arithmetical mistakes in a judgment, decree or order, or errors arising from any accidental slip or omission may be corrected by court either of its own motion or on the application of any of the parties, full stop. In the case in hand, the judgment is silent about the interest, full stop. The decree has been drawn up accordingly and the same is not at variance with the judgment, full stop. The plaintiff wants the court to amend the decree by adding an order for payment of interest, full stop. This cannot be treated as a clerical or arithmetical mistake arising from any accidental slip or omission, full stop. Therefore, the application is liable to be rejected, full stop. If Rajesh is aggrieved by the decree, the proper course for him is to apply for a review of the judgment or to appeal from the decree, full stop. But, the fact remains that sections 151 and 152 of the code are not attracted to such a case, full stop. Now, it is settled by a large number of decisions that for a judgment to operate as res judicata between co-defendants, it is necessary to establish that there was a conflict of interest between co-defendants, or it was necessary to decide the conflict in order to give the relief which the plaintiff claimed in the suit, and that the court actually decided the question, full stop.